Hey guys, I have February's Boxycharm. You want to see what it is? Oh boy, keep on watching. So hey guys, sorry for that look in the camera, but here's what's going on. I have tried to film this video. This will be the third time. I get as far as to get into the box, like open it, because I opened it already. Whoa, shit, there's my... Sorry. Listen, I've been filming all night. It's morning time. I'm going to have to stop for a little while because the sun is starting to come in. As you can see over here, like the shadows. The windows in front of me, right here actually. See how the sun is like there? Okay, so I'm going to try and get through this video. Hopefully the film won't keep skipping. I can tell you that I didn't get a tracking number for this, and anytime that's happened, I haven't liked the box. So I have gotten as far as opening the box and taking off the plastic. So let's see if we can get further this time. February base box because of the red. There's red here. I can see the red, so I know that's the base box. $25. I'm a little upset with Boxycharm. I can tell you right now, I'm really thinking about canceling, and I'll get into that in a little while. But anyway, here's the box. I'm going for the third time now. Hopefully I can get to the products. Okay, so here we go. I will tell you that there's no card in here. No card. They sent me no card. So I can't even tell you, like, you know, read off the card, which is no big deal. And I watched the spoilers. I can tell you there's probably nothing that I'm happy with except a few things, and I can look here and see that I didn't get them. So anyway, there's that. I'm really not happy with Boxycharm. I pay too much money a month. I pay $70 a month every month, and then 4 times out of the year, I pay $90 to get products that I'm not completely happy with, like even a little bit. No, I don't know. I'm thinking seriously. I'm going to take everything out of here and try and get the box off the table. There is the one thing that I picked, and I missed the choice opportunity, the window for premium. So they're probably going to send me that stupid curling iron. I think if that's, or that flat iron. If they do that, I'm going to be mad because I told them, do not send me any hair implements. I do not want any styling tools. I have too many of them. Matter of fact, I have a Callista, I think it's called. It's the thing that sucks your hair in and curls it. I have to review it. I'm going to do on this channel. Anyway, quickly before the film starts messing up. Okay, so Boxycharm, $25 a month with tax, so it's like $27. Shipping is free. That's for the base box, and then they have the premium is $35, and then 4 times a year you have the Luxe. That is like $48.99 or $49.99, something like $50 is what I say. Anyway, okay. So the first product I see here is the Luxie Complete Sponge Set, Bake, Contour, and Detail. First of all, I don't bake. I just bought, I don't know, see if you can see that with that lighting. That's horrible. I'm just going to try and get through this. I apologize for the light coming through. Hang on one second, guys. I'm going to try and fix this if I can. Give me 1 second. I'm just, wow, really? Okay, let me just see what's going to happen here. I don't know if I can do this or not. I don't think so. I think it's not going to help. Maybe. Well, there. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. We'll see. Sorry, my messy room back there. Last night. I've been filming literally all night, guys. Literally. Is that going to help a little bit? Yeah, that might. Okay. So, usually when the sun comes in, it's terrible. I have to wait for it to go past. Anyway, okay. So, that was the first product. Now, everywhere on my profile and anything I've ever reviewed, I say I don't use highlighter. And especially don't use this color. This is a Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator Gilded Honey color. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but that's pure yellow. Gold, like pure gold. That is not a color that I can use on my face. You can kind of see it there. Plus, I don't use highlighter that much. I have tons of it that I barely use. I don't need any more. Well, there's that. And it's all over my profile, so there you go. This is a filler item, I can tell you right now. They just threw this in the box to make up the 5 items. This is the EVO Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. You know, I don't think that people should get hemp unless they sent to them, unless they're okay with it. And how do you know they're okay with it unless you, like, reach out and ask them? Well, I didn't get any surveys. I didn't even get tracking for this, guys. Like, that's the thing. This box just showed up out of nowhere. Usually, when that happens, the box is terrible. I'll get a tracking 4 days from now saying this is on its way. Anyway, I don't know. Tell me what to do. Guys, it's getting to the point where I'm getting disappointed more than I'm being okay with the box even. Just okay, let alone happy. Like, it's all like, I don't want these products. So pretty much everything. I'm probably going to do a giveaway with this stuff right here. And I pretty much am. Like, definitely this, and I'll probably put it in the thumbnail. Oh God, I don't want to drop that. And then maybe I might just take one of these sponges, and I don't know if it's all right with the winner. I'll take my, I don't know where they are. Where are they? Those sponges I bought, you know, the Real Techniques. Maybe take one of them and one of these, and then mix and match the set for somebody else. I don't know, because I don't. I'm sorry. These are 3 products that I don't want. Okay, so then the 4th product, which is, I guess, okay. I'm working on 2 of them right now, so I can't open this. This is Ciate London Everyday Vacay. That's the coconut setting powder. I believe that's what it is. Coconut setting powder, right. So it looks like this. It has the packaging. It's got the little plastic on it, I think, yeah. The plastic on hope, because I'm tipping it. But yeah, so there's that. All right, so I don't know, guys. I'm going to put the product's price as far as I can find them, as many as I can find on the internet. Now I have to go and do extra work. You know, I don't know, whatever. And anyway, this is the 5th, which is fine. I don't mind doing it for you guys, but I'm just a little ticked at Boxycharm. Plus, what's going on? Listen, have you guys seen the Not So Evil Stepmother video about what's going on with these boxes? This box, I mean, Boxycharm. Now, I don't know how many other boxes do it, but so far, Boxycharm got caught. And now, if the other, I know Ipsy was having a little issue with one of the companies. Oh, God, really? In my hair? No, 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 no. This is that necklace I want. I love this necklace anyway. Yeah, so I'm a little ticked off about that. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I'm mad at the brands, too. Like, shame on them, you know? And if it's not such a big deal, why not say it? Why not tell us? You know what I mean? Why hide it from us? So, there's that. And I'm not saying that Boxycharm's the only one that's doing it, because I'm sure they're not. But for Joe to go on there and say you're getting the exact same product you would if you bought it in the store is a bold-faced lie. Bold face. We don't know if the companies are saying, listen, we're going to let you sell and make whatever you want, put it in our packaging. Or are they saying, okay, well, here's our exact formula. Make sure you make it like that, because I'm definitely not going for Fenty for premium, because I can tell you right now that eyeshadow palette, a friend of mine had it. Plus, I watched reviews on here. Like, after she said it was no good, I went on here and I looked and I searched. Terrible. It doesn't blend. It's patchy, so I'm definitely not getting premium. I don't care that it's Fenty, if it's even Fenty. We don't know, right? Anyway, that's my thought on Boxycharm. I'm a little ticked, can you tell? Anyway, this is the one item I did choose, and I can tell you that I guarantee you this is going to be on the Boxy pop-up for $12. Because I have the other one, which I like this. I absolutely do. This is the palette I got off Boxycharm pop-up or whatever for $12. I bought it for $12. So, you know, the whole $62 or $58 and that's another thing, like, if that's a $62 palette, or they're saying this is, and they're selling it for $12, really? Who made it? Let me see where it says. Now, this one says made in PRC. Now, I don't know. This one was Boxycharm too. I don't know. I'd have to look up this company and see where their products are made. This one says made in China. This one says made in PRC. So, you know what, guys? We do know now that Boxycharm has a lab in PRC, which is the People's Republic of China. That's what it stands for. So it's basically China. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I just, you know, I'm sure that, you know, I don't know. I guess the lab, how do we know what's in it? I don't know. Oh, I'm just crazy. All right, let me stop. So here's the colors. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I thought when I saw the picture of this, they looked more cranberry-ish, but this is more of a neutral brown palette. Like, it really is. There's a little bit of like orangey browns, and then, yeah, that's really a brown palette. I don't know. Better than whatever else they had. Maybe not. I maybe should have got the serum. I don't know. Kate Somerville's supposed to be good. But then I question, is it really is it really the brand stuff? Like, shame on the brand too, man. It's not just Boxycharm. It's not just Boxycharm. But shame on all of them. I'm just a little upset with that. And I don't think it's right. You should tell us so we know, you know? But anyway, if I want to pay something for $62 worth of product, I want to get a $62 product. Not a... Carly, no. She sees the reflection on the ceiling. She wants to jump up there. Anyway, guys, like I said, I'll put the prices on, hopefully I'll have them linked I'll give you, I don't know what variation this is, because I said I didn't get a card, nothing. I did get a tracking number for my premium, but there's no information on it yet. It hasn't hit the system. I don't know. I got the email yesterday saying the premium's on its way, which I'm not even happy about that. All I wanted out of that premium, and I'll see, I'm gonna say it now. I bet you I don't get it. I wanted that spray, because I have all the Glow water, the Glow recipe watermelon stuff. So I wanted the spray. I'm not too upset about the Hourglass blush. I would be okay if I got those two things, I think. I don't know if that's worth $35 to me, but anyway, like I said, I give Boxycharm a lot of money every month. It's just a lot. I don't know, guys. I'm definitely going to be not getting for the premium next month. I'm going to opt out of that, and I'll take that money and I'll spend it elsewhere, just to see. But anyway, again, so we have all these things. This I'm putting in a giveaway. These 3 things are going in a giveaway. I'm done. That's it. Like I said, I'll ask the person who wins. I'm going to link the description in the... I'll leave all the rules down below. You got to be subscribed to my channel. I do have another giveaway going on. It's like the preempt to a giveaway. For that, all you have to do is be subscribed. And then as soon as there's 100 subscribers, that word again, I'll go ahead and the video will officially start, and I will make another video really quickly. Matter of fact, I already have like all of it done except the thumbnail. I have all the rules listed, what you have to do, which is like nothing really. It's just follow me on Instagram, comment below, and there's a word you have to use, this and that. So, okay. So, for right now, I'm going to see if the winner would mind, like, me taking out one of my Real Techniques, the new ones, and putting it in here. Maybe I'll take one, and they take 2. I don't know. Somehow we'll work it out. But, like I said, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to be public so I can see that you're subscribed. You have to comment down below. Let's see, what should we say? Tell me what you're going to do for Valentine's Day, guys. I know that's a big one out here right now, and Valentine's is coming. Just tell me what your plans are for Valentine's Day. That's going to be the word, so to speak, that the comment picker can find and choose. Only one comment with the word Valentine's, or your Valentine's plans in it. One comment telling me what you're going to do for Valentine's Day. You can comment as many times as you want, but only one with that, your Valentine's Day plans. What else? Oh, follow me on Instagram. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll have this run for, I guess, 2 weeks. I don't know. Everything will be on the screen or down below. All right. So, and Boxycharm, if you want to check them out, I'll leave my link down there below. If you guys do end up signing up through my link, all I do is I take the charms and I buy stuff for the channel. It's for giveaways, so I don't ever buy anything for myself. Everything I've ever bought, I still have, and it's in the box, the giveaway box. So, like I said, the other video, if you're watching this and you don't know, the other video, the one, the Jeffree Star, I need to get to 100 subscribers, and then, I hate that word, and then, once I do, like I said, that video that I have stored will go up, boom, with all the rules, and it'll run for 2 weeks from that date, whatever date that happens to be, all right? So I have to get to 100 first, and it's on and popping. Like, I announced it in Instagram. I put it on Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and send it to Twitter, too, as well. So there's that. Anyway, guys, like I said, Boxycharm, February. I ain't happy. I'm telling you right now. It's like... That's my thing. It's probably going to be the thumbnail. I don't know. Anyway, up or yay or no. But, I don't know. I haven't done it yet. Anyway, I hope everyone's doing good. Drop me a line. Let me know what's going on. And, like I said, leave me a comment with your Valentine's Day plans for the giveaway. And I will put the end when it's going to end on the screen. All right? I have to look at the calendar. Okay, guys. So, that's it. That's all I have for you tonight. Today, really, it's still morning. I haven't slept, so it's still technically last night. I have 2 more videos, I think. Yeah, 2 more and I'm done. Whew, thank you. All right, guys. I'll see you. Until I do, please spread smiles, because you never know whose day you might make, and it probably will make you feel better as well. See you. Bye-bye.